Hello guys, welcome to Exploits Hub. In today's video we're going to see how to compromise a VNC connection. So basically we're going to do VNC brute forcing using our Metasploit. Okay, in our this video we want to choose Windows machine as a victim machine and Kali machine as our attacker machine. So in this Windows machine we have already installed a tight VNC server and it has a password. So already have a nmap scan result. So here you can see the IP address of a victim machine is 192.168.0.95. I'll just cross verify my IP address. So you can see here its IP address is 192.168.0.595. Right. So you can see that in the nmap result there are a lot of ports open in this machine. So it is also open with VNC port that is 5900. So we are gonna attack using that VNC port. Okay, so I'll just open Metasploit using another terminal. So I'll just zoom in a bit. So I'll enter MSF console, hit enter. So that's it. So we'll use an auxiliary module for brute forcing. So just type use space auxiliary slash scanner slash VNC slash VNC underscore login. That's it. First we'll see what are the options it needs. So I'll type show options. So it needs various options like brute force speed and all. Brute force speed needs word list. So we have a default word list in Metasploit. I'm gonna use the same default word list which is there in the Metasploit itself. So first let's see what are the contents inside that word list. So the path will be like a user share Metasploit framework data word lists vnc password.txt. So you can see that there are 5 passwords. So now I'm gonna use add some more passwords inside that using a nano text editor. So here I'm using a nano text editor, that is a terminal based text editor. You can use any text editors. So I'm gonna add some more passwords like exploits hub and the proxy. So that's it. I'll just save it out. So I have to use Control O and then Control X. So that's it. The word list has been ready now. And next we have to set up our host, that is a target host, and then the R port. We'll leave the R port to 5900 itself, and then the threads. So now let us set up what are the options it needs. So first let us set our hosts. So we'll set up the target IP address, that is 192.168.0.95, and then we'll set up the threads to 11, and then we'll set up the brute force speed to 1. So here I am setting the brute force speed to 1 so that the connection should look like a legitimate one. So in case if you increase the brute force speed, it may show up like that it's some automated process like that. So I just bring it to 1. So now we have already set up the required options. Let's run it. So the brute force is started. So brute force it takes some time to load as we have given the brute force speed to 1. So now the brute force has been successful. You can see the password 123456 and it says that the login successful. So now we'll try to get the VNC connection. So I'll open another terminal and type just resource the tabs. So I'll type VNC viewer So you can see small little window opens. Just expand it. So here I have to enter the VN server's IP address, that is 192.168.0.95, and hit enter. Oh, got rejected. So sometimes this connection gets rejected, so I'll just try it again. So again VNC viewer, and then server comes up. After enter the server's IP address and hit enter, then you can see there's a prompt for password. I just expand it. So the password will be invisible, so it will not be displayed directly. Hit enter. So now we can see that the tight VNC connection is been established. So you can see connections will be lagging a bit, but whatever you do, it will be getting at the other end also. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. So if you like the video, please like the video, share it, and please subscribe to our channel. And for any queries, you can post it up in the comments, as well as you can text us in our Facebook page. Thank you.